Ake sifunde naye i-testimonial Nicole Khonye ayibhale 2 hours ago. Uthi u4,000 US dollars in just the first 7 days of May. Wow, I'm still in disbelief. Looking back, I was too scared to show up online for 10 months. Fear held me back, fear of judgment, failure, and not being ready. Now I'm in a week, 1 month of 4 of my online business. I just made more in a week than I used to make in 7 months. I just want to say thank you to God, to my mentors, to incredible community, and to every single person cheering on me. Please don't wait until you feel ready. You will never feel ready. You just have to start scared. Yeah, testimonial Nicole bafowethu. U4,000 US dollars la eSouth Africa imali plus minus 75,000. Le imali ayenze in a space of 7 days. This month asikakaholi sonke, but uNicole seyiholela ngokwenze njani, ngokuba ingxenye yale community kuthiwa i-legacy builder. Into ayigqugquzelayo la uthi you must feel ready, ngoba ungeke uzizwe ukuthi usu-ready noma ngabe into uyithanda kanjani, kodwa uzoloku unaloko kungabaza. Leso story esifuna ukusishare namhlanje, a beautiful story skantombazane uNicole. She's one of the South African guys. Let's cheer up for Nicole.